Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alfred here. So we're back on site again with this project. This is a 7-bedroom HMO which we're converting at the moment. We're in week 4 and I'm going to show you what we've done so far on this project. But before we go inside guys, if you can hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video as well, give a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions throughout the video, please drop a comment below and I'll respond at some point. So let's take it inside guys, let's show you what we've done so far. Alright guys, so this is room number 1. You see a lot of progress is made since we've last been here. So we went back to brick with the property. I've got the fireboards obviously put up. We've got the insulation obviously underneath it as well. We've got the ensuite tucked into this section. What we've done differently with this room is we decided, because studios are so desirable, we decided to make this room a studio room as well. It has got the space, it's about 50 meters squared room. So we felt like, okay, why not convert this room into a studio as well, where we feel like it's easier to let. So you can see the socket works, we put it across right into the ensuite. We're still looking to have a bed in this corner, like I described before, facing the kitchen and the ensuite room. We might potentially put a sofa in here, like a little small 1-seater, 2-seater sofa. Utilize that space, I would say. Alright. Also guys, so as you see in the hallway, we haven't gone back to brick on these walls. We did try to take them off because they're very, very hard. The material they used is very, very hard. So the guys have left this for, we're going to just board over this and yeah, replaster. Also, so in the previous video, obviously I said there was a doorway down here. What we've done is create a doorway here instead, just to give it a good layout. If you go inside the room, so this is room number 2. As you can see, it's similar to room number 1. We fireboarded the ceilings, got the plaster walls all around the room. The stud work for the en-suites already got in as well. So literally what I was saying previously was we moved the door. So the door was previously on the right hand side, we brought it here just to maximize the layout of the room because we're putting the en-suite against here. So literally in front of me would be the bed, and what we're going to do is put the TV and a desk underneath here, and then the wardrobes and stuff could all fit around the room as well. So I feel like this is the best optimum layout we can have within this room. It's a double ensuite room, decent size, probably one of the smallest ones out of the rest of the rooms, but it's still a good sized room for the tenant as well. So I'll take you on to the kitchen lounge area to show you what's been done over there as well. So guys, as you can see, at the moment this place is all opened up. If you haven't seen the video previously, go check it out. So what we've done is there was a wall here that we obviously now taken out, and we put the supports in, the support. So what we're going to do now is put a beam across wall to wall, and also there'll be a new roof going into the space. And the idea here is there will be a room, so room number 3 will be in this section of the property. Literally all the space here will be opened up, new roof will be going on, and then literally there'll be a stud wall right in front of me, which sections off the kitchen lounge area from the room at the back. And again, the hope is to have I think it's a 30 meter squared double ensuite room at the back here. So from this section onwards, that would all be the lounge and kitchen area with all the washing machine facilities, all of that within the space. So again, fairly large space, open plan as well. I like to keep the space spacious as much as possible. But yeah, we're yet to design that area, but I'm sure it will look good as always. But yeah guys, we'll take you upstairs and show you what we're doing over there as well. Alright guys, before we go into room number 4, I'm going to quickly show you what we've done up here. So again, it's quite hard to imagine now, but previously we had a toilet here and then a small room at the back. So we knocked all the walls out. We had to find a location for the boiler and the tank, the huge tank that's going in this property. So we decided to cut some of the space in this room and use that for the boiler and the tank. And then so there'll be a door here for that facility, and then this will be room number 4, which I'll take you into and show you what we've done in this space. So in here guys, what we decided to do is put the kitchenette against here. Again, it's quite a hard one to kind of lay out in terms of optimizing the space. Previously there was a window in this section here as well that we blocked off. So we left this window here. There will be a bed right in front of me, which will pretty much be facing the kitchenette. And the idea here is we'll have the TV go against this wall, and then on this side of the room all the wardrobe and the chest of drawers. And again, the ensuite decided to tuck it to the side of the room. Again, there's enough space between us opening the door and the bed. So again, we measured everything to size just to make sure we don't have any issues later on. As you can see again, first with Electrics, we've done it, we've boarded it up, we put the meshes between the gaps as well. So that's pretty much room 4. We'll head over to room number 5 and show you what's been done in there as well. Alright guys, so this is room number 5, similar to room number 2, literally right above each other. We've got the ensuite tucked to one side, we've got the bed right in front of me, which will be facing the TV, the desk. We decided to we've got this awkward corner in here, so it's going to be like a little walk-in wardrobe, if you want to call it that. As you can see, the room's all boarded up as well, ready for plaster. So yeah, the guys are moving quick. As I said, it's week 4. We've done a lot of progress, I would say, within 4 weeks. But let's move into room number 6, show you what's happening in there. So guys, this is room number 6. Again, a very large room. So this is another studio in the property. So this is now studio number 3. In actual fact, when we started the project, we were looking to only do 3 studios. But like I said, on room number 1, there was enough space. We thought, why not have that, made that into another studio as well. The ensuite is tucked to one side. We've got the kitchen going across here. As you can see, we've measured everything up. We've got 60, 60, 50 for the cabinet work below. With everything that we do, we measure up to exact measurements, so we don't have any issues regarding fitting stuff in once it all arrives. On the opposite side, we've got the bed going in that corner. Is it going to be a king size bed again? Because of it being such a big room, the future plans is to make this a double occupant room. So we're going in future planning to have this room as a double occupant room. We're having a king size bed offered. And then the radiator against here, we'll have a sofa, a little 2-seater sofa in this section as well. And then I think the TV is going against this wall. And that's pretty much it with this room. Again, it's all ready to be plastered, fireboards have been put up. So we'll go up to room number 7, the final studio in the property, and show you what's happening in there. Alright guys, so this is the final room of the property. Again, all of it has been fireboarded on the ceilings. We'll talk about the insulation on the roof. So again, what we've done is we've put 75cm insulation between the rafters and another 25cm above. And then we're gonna fireboard all of this area as well to protect the roof. And then in this section, we've got the bed. So again, a king size bed, because the plan is in the future to make this room a double occupant room. So it's all been laid out, measured up for a king size bed, with the switch beside the bed. Also, and then we've got the ensuite right in front of the bed, all tucked away neatly. Again, with this room, it being a studio room, we've put the kitchen facility to the side of the room. So we'll have a TV, the desk going here, against this wall, flushed, will be a kitchenette facility, the cabinet works, the sink, the fridge, and then the drawers, and obviously the extractor fan as well. And then also behind me, or in front of me should I say, we've got the sofa going in that section there as well, facing the kitchenette facility and the TV as well, so you can kind of see from both from the bed and from the sofa. So as you can see, everything's well thought of, just kind of create a good tenant experience within the room. We're good to plaster. I think in the next week or so we're going to start to plaster the whole house. But yeah, let's head downstairs and let's wrap this up, guys. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. So let's just kind of summarize. So now in the property we intended to obviously make 3 studios in, we're now going for 4 studios and 3 double ensuite rooms, because I guess studio rooms are more desirable. But we're now maybe about 8 to 10 weeks away from completing this project. So we'll probably do one more before the final showcase video. So tune in whenever that gets released, might be 5 weeks time, something like that. So if you enjoyed the video guys, hit the like button, and also share this with anybody you feel like might benefit from watching this as well. And also if you've got any questions, drop in a comment below and I'll respond at some point as well. But yeah guys, see you on the next video, take care.